It's intact. Can they pick it up? Can they pick it up? Slightly kinky, and then I.
I am elated.
No,
Absolutely.
you just passed. We have passed.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Pretty good, pretty good. This guy's stupid. Hi guys.
Yeah.
Yo, stop! Why are they going? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
No, is he landing that? I'm gonna kill myself.
How do you feel about the successful flag mission?
It was good.
Very good. I am so proud of what this team has accomplished. How many what?
It was good.
Hey, wait!
I am so happy.
I want my spotlight back.
Me and Landon. I was ready to crash, I'll be honest.
Oh, right.
I'm glad we were able to land successfully after the first flight.
Hell yeah.
Come back next year, son.
And that's our pilot over there from MIT. You want to say something to the camera?
You guys built a great plane.
Oh,
Do it. You did.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for putting it in my hands. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah,
I enjoyed it.
if next time you get to fly it, we'll let you do a barrel roll.
Sounds good. I'll take you up on that.
Say what you feeling. You happy? You sad? You got mixed emotions. He's just speechless. See money on the track. Put that camera shot in.
I'm taking a video. I was gonna mute, bro. You took my shit.
What is the saying? I love